Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I will share the logic and the method that I use in my trading journey, which is the support and resistance strategy. Support and resistance is one of the most important concepts in trading. Almost every trader uses this method. I know many of you already have some knowledge about support and resistance, but in this video, I'll explain how I personally use it. So let's start the video. If you're new here and want to join us, all of our services are free of cost. The link is available in the description below, so go and check it out. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. This chart is currently in a trending market. In a trending market, support and resistance should always be used according to the direction of the trend. Now, let me find a ranging market. Here it is. I can see a resistance level here. Now, let me show you how to draw a resistance level. As you can see, the market touched this level multiple times. It came to this level, got rejected, came back again, got rejected once more, and finally broke below it before continuing its downward movement. Here's another resistance level. You can also draw this level because the market respected it several times. Whenever the price reaches a strong resistance level in a downtrend, you can look for a downside trade because the overall market direction is bearish. Let's move on to another example. Now, here's a live trade. Now, I found another resistance level on Microsoft OTC, so I'm placing a downside trade. Why did I choose this trade? Because there is a strong resistance level here, and we got our entry just above that resistance. The previous candle also took resistance from this level, which made the setup stronger. This trade looks a little risky because the overall market is in an uptrend. So why did I choose a downside trade against the trend? Because the previous two candles completely filled the body of the strong bearish candle, indicating a possible reversal. Let's wait and see what happens. During the last few seconds, the candle broke above the resistance level, but we still had a chance. It's a win. The breakout turned out to be a fake breakout, and we won the trade. You can clearly see the reversal from the resistance level. This is how the support and resistance strategy works. However, you should always pay attention to the overall market trend. I recommend taking trades in the direction of the trend whenever possible because they generally have a higher probability of success. I hope you now understand how support and resistance works and how you can apply it in your trading journey. This strategy works on almost every market, including Forex, crypto, stocks, and OTC markets. I hope you learned something valuable from this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any topics you'd like me to cover or any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.